Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we're doing a huge, amazing Dollar Tree haul, and you guys know how much I love the Dollar Tree, how much I love filming these for you. People ask me what I do for a living. I just tell them I'm a professional Dollar Tree shopper. Today is also the debut of my very first video I'm filming in my egg chair. You guys, it is so freaking cute. I will link it below. I got it on sale at Walmart. I have always wanted one of these and I loved the style of it. It's like rattan. It is so comfortable. I've been sitting in this thing every single night. I've been crocheting in it. I've been watching my iPad in it, reading, praying, all the things, and I just absolutely love it. The cats don't like it though because they can't fit through the holes. That's the only thing. But I thought it would be fun to maybe film some hauls in it, just kind of get away from my desk setup and do something a little bit different. If you guys hear Gizzy is crying in the background, he's not in distress, he just wants he always wants my attention at 24/7, and he eats in about an hour. So we have a jam-packed Dollar Tree bag. There is so much stuff in here. I've been going to the Dollar Tree a lot recently. I have to remember what I showed you guys in my last haul because I still have that stuff in this bag, so it's all mishmashed together. So hopefully there's no repeats, but if there is, you guys won't mind. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe. If you love Dollar Tree content, affordable hauls, beauty, shop with me, then you'll really like my channel. And let's see what I grabbed this week at Dollar Tree for $1.25. First thing is this spa headband, and I just thought this would be so cute for at my desk when I'm doing my makeup and getting ready and I just don't want to have my hair in my face. Usually I wear those little clips that put your hair back, but I thought this might be fun, just switch it up. And what's great about it is that you can actually wash it. And I also thought this would be really cute, building a basket for a gift for your sister, your mom, bridesmaids, whatever. This is a really cute little gift, and it seems to be pretty well made. Let's open her up. So here it is. It's so cute. It's not the biggest in the world, so if you do have a larger head, it might not fit. It almost kind of has a youth, feels like it's a youth size almost, even though it's for adults, but it's so cute. Again, don't know if I shared this with you guys in the previous video, but I did pick up these hair clips, which are so cute. This fuzzy pink one, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then I also got this bright pink fuzzy pink one. I thought this was very Barbie-esque. I could not pass this up. And it seems to be pretty well made. I mean, hopefully it doesn't break. Sometimes the issue with the Dollar Tree hair clips is the teeth break off. I've had that happen quite a few times. But the good news is it's cheap, so you can just buy another one. But anything furry like this, I don't know why I can't resist. Maybe because it reminds me of childhood and cute little furry Y2K things, because that's when I was a little girl. More furry hair accessories. I picked up the cutest little furry elastics. There's actually 3 furry ones in here, and then there's 2 regular stretchy hair ties in here. I love this kind of material because it's that stocking is the best way I can describe it. It feels like a stocking. I am always losing hair ties, so personally for me, I can never have enough, and a lot of times I wear my hair in pigtails, so I'll need 2 hair ties, and I just love I love the fuzzies. What can I say? I feel maybe I showed this in my last haul, but I'll show you guys again. I got this cream colored flower hair clip that I thought was just absolutely precious. Another hair accessory that I found, I think this actually might be for a little kid, but I was this is so cute. A giveaway. It's this Sherpa headband bow. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating, probably because I'm sitting in the sunlight. It's the cutest thing ever. And I was also thinking if I didn't want to wear the bow because maybe it just looked a little too juvenile, then I could turn it around like this and then just have the bow in the back where you can't see it. The cutest nail wraps. I got these B-color cherry nail wraps. I hope you guys can see. I'm quite far away from the camera because this lens is close, but there's little cherries. Oh my, these surprisingly last a decent amount of time. If you add a top coat, you can get even more wear out of them. So I recommend these. I know so much about nail wraps because I've worn them for over 10 years. I feel I instantly know when a nail wrap isn't good. I would say these are pretty good. They're not super long lasting, but if you just want something quick to get a couple 2 to 3 days wear, these are good. And you can also maybe even try a gel top coat and cure it. I also found this name brand eyelash curler from Pure Silk. I thought this would just be fun to use maybe in my next makeup tutorial. This is a name brand and it's actually pink, which is so cute. And I'm curious to see how this works. I mean, my lashes are, they definitely take like a certain type of curler to curl them. I hate when eyelash curlers like pinch you. I want to take my shoes off. Let me get comfier. I hate when they pinch you. That's like something that drives me crazy. So I hope this isn't going to do that. I hope it gives a nice curl, but we'll try it out together and see how it is. But yeah, the brand is Pure Silk. If you saw my last shop with me, this was in that shop with me. I got this adorable little ghost. I'm really not a Halloween decor person. Like, I'll show you guys some stuff in shop with me's, but I'm honestly never been. I didn't grow up with Halloween because being a Christian household, we just never really had like Halloween decor, so I really try and stay away from it. And I'm more so like a fall decor person. But I just thought this was so cute because the nose looked like a heart and there was like little stars on it, so I thought it was fun. And it does light up. Can you guys see that? It is so cute and it's really well made. It's ceramic. Let me turn it off so you guys can see when it's on. It's adorable. If you see one of these, pick them up because I don't know if they'll have them next year. And it just the stars is really what got me. It was so cute. Picked up a Wet n Wild angled liner brush, and the Wet n Wild brushes are just so good. I have like 5 of the crease brushes. The reason I got the angled liner brush was because lately what I've been doing, not today, but most of the time what I do is I've been using brown shadow as eyeliner. It's just like a quick, fun way to wear eyeliner and not have it be so intense. It's like more of a natural look. So like I'll wear that when I'm going to the gym, just throw on some mascara. That's like kind of been my go-to. So all that to say, that's why I picked up the angled liner brush, because I liked how thin it looked for doing that, and I like getting a nice like crisp thin line. This is also new. I was super excited about this. It's the Be Pure new cooling facial roller. So they had a facial roller. I've still seen it, and it was like plastic, and I think I wrote, maybe they saw it, sometimes that happens. I was like, this isn't giving any sort of cooling effect. Oh, Oliver wants to come in the egg. I was like, this isn't giving any sort, no, you don't? Okay. So their original face thing, it wasn't stainless steel, and I was like, if this was stainless steel, it would be so much better. This plastic thing is not doing anything. It has to have stainless steel to cool your face. So I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, they changed it to stainless steel. Maybe they saw my post and redid it. I do work with this brand, so it says helps reduce redness and puffiness. Use chilled for a cooling massage. You guys, I'm wearing jeans right now and it's so uncomfortable. This is why I don't film in jeans, because I want to like cross my legs and I feel like I can't right now. This is something that you can put in the refrigerator. That's what I do, or the freezer, and then when you take it out, it's like so nice and chilled. In the morning, just go over your whole face, under your eyes, and it's just, it definitely helps with puffiness. I know I wake up definitely like puffy. It says use upward strokes and roll across your skin to massage. It's just like a nice little at-home spa moment. I'm so excited that it is stainless steel now. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's this reusable fall themed little bag. Like, how cute is these? I love these reusable bags. I use them all the time. It actually says it's a freezer bag, and I just love the leaves on it. So this one is also nice and big. I love using these because you don't have to worry about buying the plastic bags and then always running out of those like plastic storage bags. So it's nice to have some reusable ones. So yeah, there's only one in here. That is the downside, but it is a nice large size bag. I cannot remember if I shared this last time, but this Spongeables Coconut Culotta body wash in a sponge. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. This is gonna be great before I do a self tan, and I love this. Is actually a name brand, so it's not made by Dollar Tree. This is by, the brand is Every Holder is the parent brand, and then Spongeables is the name brand. So it has coconut oil and olive oil, and also has a like coconut scent to it. I'm just so excited because you can keep reusing this like a bunch of times, so I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. This is also a great stocking stuffer. I also picked up this Yes to Watermelon Daily Gel Cleanser. I am very excited about this, and I love a lot of the Yes to products. And this one, it actually has like very minimal ingredients. It's water, aloe, citric acid, sodium chloride, watermelon fruit extract, tomato fruit extract, and then it does have glycerin, and then fragrance is at the end of the list. So very minimal ingredients list, and I think this retails maybe for like $8 or $9. It is completely sealed at the bottom, which is nice. Like there's plastic on it, and it's a nice large size. It's 4 fluid ounces. So I love these like watermelon products, so I thought this was great. I know a lot of people, they're like a little bit iffy about Yes to products because some people say they've had bad experiences with some of them. So what I do is I like to look up reviews of anything before I buy it. It is actually some new beads at Dollar Tree. I love making bracelets. I just think it is so fun. I've always loved it. I'm a very crafty kind of girl. So they have these new polymer clay beads. They're like round, and bring them closer. They're so cute, and I loved the colors pink, purple, and white. So I actually think I need to get more string, but the craft section, you guys, at Dollar Tree has been so good recently. I've been loving all the finds. Again, I don't know if I shared this, but I did pick up a Maybelline lipstick, and this is in the shade Daringly Nude. I was so excited to find a nude and not like a white, a black. They have like pure black lipsticks at Dollar Tree, or like I just wanted to find like a good nude to try out in my next makeup video, so I was like, yes. And it is in the special pink packaging, which I did a video on my Dollar Tree Instagram. Go follow me, you guys. It's at Dollar Tree Dolly. I post all like these Dollar Tree secrets, hacks, and all the new products I find. I always post like everything there first. So this is shade 655 if you guys want to look for it. But let me actually like just open her up and see what the color looks like so we can see. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like a smells like a Maybelline lipstick. Doesn't smell bad. It is like a definitely like a nude with like a brownish kind of undertone. It's really nice. I'm excited to try that. Also, a lot of people are asking me about this packaging. This is just a closeout packaging. Like this product obviously didn't sell, so Maybelline sent it to a closeout company. They put it in these packaging for Dollar Tree so it can like fit on the, you know, the makeup shelf at Dollar Tree. I did also find, I think this might be the last thing I shared today because I feel like I've shared a lot. Oh, these two, I think I shared these maybe last time, but these reusable veggie bags, you guys, it's a 5-pack, and this is a name brand. Love these for shopping at the grocery store. And then I picked up these hats. Oh my gosh, this was such a good find. These are name brand baseball caps. I love wearing baseball caps. I have one on like literally every week. I wear them a lot to the gym. So this one, I think, this one is so cute. It says a bad hair day, and it has like kind of like similar like Ray Dunn font. I think I'm actually gonna put this one in my next Instagram giveaway on my Dollar Tree Dolly page. Give it to one of you guys. And I love the back because it's Velcro. That's my favorite. So the brand on this is called Infinity, which I had not heard of before, but when I looked them up, like they're like a legitimate like company, and the quality of these hats I would say is very good. I would say it's very comparable, if not even better than the Walmart Time and True hats, which also retail for about $6 to $7. But these are nice quality, you guys, like, and they have a lot of colors. I also spotted this red one, which I don't have a red baseball hat. This one doesn't have the Velcro on the back. It has like the buckle that you like lift up and then you adjust on the back. And then look how cute the underneath is, like a gingham. But and this actually has a tag that like literally like a store tag that says Infinity Headwear, infinityheadwear.com. And then there's like the label, everything, you guys. It's legit. I got this for $1.25. This is the stuff that I love to find, like these name brand gems. And then I found this guy, which is honestly the same color as the Bad Hair Day hat. It's kind of just like a black-ish, black gray acid vintage wash is what I'm looking for. And this also has the Velcro on the back. So nice. And I do like to, when I wear hats, I kind of like bend the bill a little bit because I just feel like that looks better. So yeah, you guys, look for these. I've had a bunch of people on my Instagram tell me that they were also able to find them. These were in the same aisle that the socks are in, but they were on like the bottom level. So when you're shopping, make sure you're looking down because you could miss things when you're not looking everywhere. So another little tip for you guys. All right guys, that is everything for today's huge Dollar Tree haul. I will be back again probably next week with another haul because I have a whole other bag of stuff to show you guys. So make sure you're subscribed. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. And so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you also enjoyed my first haul in the egg chair. Hopefully many more to come. I was really comfy in here. Next time I'm just gonna wear sweatpants though. But I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.